Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Jay Straight Up Reviews and more. All right, so if you saw the video I did yesterday, I got the new Partybox Club 120, which I always have to remember between club and stage because this one is the 320. It's the stage 320. They've added those terms into the equation for some reason. So you got club 120 and stage 320. So we did the club 120 yesterday. Today we're doing the 320. I just got it in. The box wasn't in nearly as bad a shape. So this speaker, if you remember the 310 when it came out, it was the first speaker of the second generation. So the lights were pretty much the same as the 300. They were kind of a little boring. They didn't really update the lights or anything. So with this one, they have updated the lights. That's going to be a big improvement, as you can see already. Now the speaker itself, the controls are set up basically the same as the 120 I showed yesterday. Everything's the same with the exception of you do have your volume, bass, treble, and echo controls for the microphone on the speaker itself. The 120 does not have this. It does have 3 preset effect noises you can make, and from the app you can reassign different ones. Bass, 2-stage bass boost, that is to pair 2 together. Your Bluetooth, light knob, play pause, and then your volume knob. Now this, like the 310, has telescopic handle and a slot right there so you can put your tablet or phone, probably just a phone, it's not very wide. And on the back you have a replaceable battery. This one's going to be bigger than the 110 was. Your inputs, everything's the same as the Partybox 120 with the exception of there's no knob over here to adjust the level for this microphone jack. This jack right here is microphone or guitar, so you can adjust the level there. But for some reason the Partybox 120 also had a knob for the adjustment on the microphone only jack. So there is a little light on there too, so I guess if it's dark you can kind of see what you're doing, which is nice. Nice little touch that they put that on there. Like I said, the battery's removable, and as I showed in the 120 video the other day, when I had this plugged in, the 120, and took the battery out, it still played. So then you got your bass port and where you plug it in. These are IPX4, which I believe the 310 and 110 were also. Has wheels. Now one thing I don't care for on both the 120 and this one is they eliminated the little rubber feet, the orange rubber feet on the sides, so that you could lay it horizontally. They've done away with that, so I guess they're expecting you to listen to this standing up always, which I always don't like it when they take stuff away that was a staple, because all the Partybox speakers up until now have had that, except for well, the Ultimate, but it's 3rd generation. Even the Partybox 710, as big as it is, has the rubber feet on the side. Of course, you got the bigger logo now. So I'll go through the light modes on the app. The light modes are the same as the 110. Right now it's on neon. We'll switch it. This is loop. Turn this up just a little bit. This is loop. This is bounce. Trim. This is switch. And finally freeze, which just leaves the lights on and just cycles through different colors. Now you can within the app also turn on or off certain zones of the speaker, and you can change the colors. Turn this down just a hair. Now what I showed yesterday that there's a custom EQ. I didn't actually show the graph, but there is what it is. It's now a 5-band instead of before with the other Partybox speakers. They had a 3-band, just bass, mids, and treble. Now this one starts at 64 hertz and tops out at 16 kilohertz. So that's better, at least that you have a little bit better adjustment levels. They have 5 bands instead of just 3. And there are microphone. You can change the mic effects, bass, treble, and echo from the app if you have a microphone connected. And right now, out of the box, of course this thing's not out in most parts of the world, it's showing the software is up to date. So right now, as far as EQs go, that's JBL Signature. So you have JBL Signature, Movie, Vocal, Chill, and Custom. So that's new also. The old Partybox speakers, you could do custom the 3-band EQ, but you could not. It did not have presets. So now it does. And of course you still have your two-stage bass boost, or you can have it off. And you also have, same as the Partybox 120, the same screen, your different effects. Like I said, I believe you can reassign those on the speaker. I may be wrong on that. Maybe you can't. So anyway, there you go, guys. That's the first look and overview of that lights little demo of the sound. Turn it up a little bit here. This is no bass boost on or anything. Unplugged. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll try to do what I can this weekend to get some videos out. I know there's been a lot of interest in this versus the 310 and the 120 versus the 110. Those will probably be where I start, because that's the most logical comparison of the same speaker, just updated, the newer version. Is it really worth a purchase? Or if you've already got one of those, maybe you stand pat. So again, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it today. We're running a special. It's free. And everybody knows it's been around. We'll tell you, this channel's worth every bit of nothing. Cost you nothing. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you'll know when these videos drop. So that's a wrap, guys. We'll catch you at the next one. Keep your eyes peeled this weekend. I'll try to get out what I can. Hasta la vista, baby.